Hi guys, Hrushi here. Today we are going to be doing tutorials about how to draw. Wait, what? There's nothing to draw. We are going to make a character. Okay, so why did it say draw? Never mind. So we need to draw a character. So there are three things we need to draw as age, gender, and person. Not person, personality. So we need those three things to determine a character. So if we assume that the age of the character is 18 years old, that the character is 18 years old and he is male, of course, because I like to draw person like male, and he is like his personality is he's happy and he's heroic. So I don't think so the heroic spelling is correct, but never mind. So here we are going to draw a body of a male person, and so I don't know whether you do how to draw a person. If you don't know how to draw, or that's I'll make a video on it later, and the key term we use for it is autonomy. So if you want to draw a person, you need autonomy for it. And so if you don't know how to draw a person, I will make a video on it later. And so yeah, and autonomy means how to draw a person. Yeah, so continue on our drawing of our base of our character. And so yeah, so we're going to draw its stuff about his features of his hand, legs, face. Wait, what? Yeah, we're drawing first legs first. So if you don't know, if you don't or if you don't know how to draw legs when you are drawing your rough draft or stuff like that, you can draw this thing, which is like a circle and a padding thing. Yeah, it's you can use it for hand and feet if you don't want to draw it in your rough draft, I drawn it now. And coming back to lace. Wait, not lace. We are talking about face. Yeah. So face. If you're drawing a rough draft and your face looks something like this, you're probably not wrong, because this is how mine looks. And if you are trying to draw it in detail, yours would look like something like wait, what? Yeah, something like this here, like this. Yeah. And if you are drawing in detail, something would look like this. And yeah, about clothes. Yeah, if you don't know how to draw clothes too, I'll make another video for it. And I'm just gonna draw some wrinkles to it and some edges and this and yeah, stuff. So after that, we can draw your type of hair, and I will make another video for hair. I just scribbled it down because this is a rough draft of a character. And yeah, and then now basically, if you're drawing a character, you need three things. Yeah, you need three things, which is age, the three things. And yeah, so when you're drawing a character, you need three things, that is age, gender, and personality. And if you if you don't know how to draw autonomy or body, I make another video for it, and clothes, hair, stuff like that, or faces, nose, eyes, ears, stuff, everything, because this is my first video of my tutorial, so there might be nothing video about other things. So first of all, yeah, for today's video, three things which are important is age, gender, and personality. I just put person and the thing because I was confused. I just put person and forgot about ality. So today, all of the three things are age, gender, and personality. If you forget about those things, you can call it gap, because G equals gender, A equals age, and P equals personality. So you can call it gap. And yeah, so today's video was about this. And if you are interested in drawing like manga or comic, you should probably use this like gap formula to make your own character. And if you are like very hard on to think about what the things are, you probably are right, because when I first made my character, it was difficult for me because as to think how he looks like or his eyes. So the eyes you see are from my real comic I'm making, and so actually it's not like I'm still working on it. It's like I'm working on it hard, and for your autonomy, I'll make another video earliest after. I'll make other videos later for them, but for today's video, we'll make how to make a character. And my comic's name is Modern Medieval. So, and I have just some pages drawn out and inking. So I'm just gonna show you those. This is my first page. It's good. You can see the autonomy because there are some characters, people. So you see the third box where it says what happening. It's the hero. It's the Ice Saber I was talking about. And this is like their colony gets invaded, and he's crying for his father because his father is dead, and now he's angry, and there's like tornado coming, and then it gets us like a bomb spot, and then he fights with the soldier, and then he's in jungle. And I think so I'm missing a page in between. Yeah, but there was a page in between this, so I don't know where did it go, but see. So he was running from the jungle, and he found out a house of a witch. Wait, what? I messed up the page. Okay, never mind. So yeah, so if you are really interested in manga and comic, I'll make videos like step by step about those stuff. And if you want to like to make another videos about stuff, I'll surely make the videos for you. And yeah, so this is all for today's video, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and also share it. And this is my really nice thing I do. And guys, yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. I think so the subscribe spelling is wrong. Never mind. Yeah, so but listen, just listen. And this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da, bye bye, and take care.